Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me once again for this week's CVS haul. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would like to have you as a subscriber. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And for my returning viewers, thank you so much for supporting me every week. So for this week's haul, I was able to grab all these items you're looking at right now. All these items came up to $157.16. I was able to grab it for only $5, or you can say 19 cents each. So let me show you guys how I did it. Let's start this with a very easy transaction everybody can do. This one is the Colgate 2 for $7.98, and everybody was supposed to receive a coupon of $7.94 in your app. So make sure you're clicking this and sending it to your card. And my only advice for this is to do this separate, because sometimes when you add it to other deals and you have like a spend CRT, it kicks it off. So I've tried it multiple times and this is the only way I can get it to work. So make sure you're doing this on its own and you pay only tax and you get both free. On this transaction, I did the bubble tissue. It's the same deal as last week, buy one get one free, and each one is $10.99. If you still have the pay only 8 CRT that we got last week, you pay only $3 and you get your $2 extra care box back. I'll be showing you guys my receipt. Now you can see my receipt. You can see I picked up the 2 bubble tissue, one for $10.99 and the second one is free, and I used the pay only 8. It takes off $8. And I paid, I used a $3 extra care box, but adjusted down to $2.99. I didn't pay anything out of pocket. I only paid tax and I got the 2 extra care box back. In this transaction, I did a CoverGirl deal. This week is spend $15, get $7 back, limit of 2. So what I did was pick up the Simply Ageless Skin Eye Lift Serum for $19.99, and I also got the lip gloss for $9.99, and this came up to $29.98, but on my receipt it's showing that I need $10.01 to get to the 30, but I only got $7 for the 15 I spent already. So I spoke to my cashier and I was told to call the customer service. Maybe the lip gloss wasn't tracking, which I would do maybe after 48 hours, because that's when they can be able to see the receipt. But still, this was still a good deal and a money maker, because I'll be getting $3 after 48 hours. So let's look at my CRTs and the coupons I used. I used 2 $6 off and another 5 off of 25 CoverGirl CRT, and the $3 mystery coupon everybody was supposed to receive this week. I have another app only coupon for CoverGirl lip, and I used $7 out of extra care box, and I paid only 98 cents out of pocket, and I got my $7 extra care box back. And I also be getting a $3 after 48 hours, because remember I spent almost $30 on this one. On this transaction, I did the Irish Spring deal and also the Paparazzi deal. This week, the Irish Spring is 2 for $8, buy 2, get $2 back. And also the Paparazzi is also buy 2, get $4 back, limit of 2. So I marked the deal on the Paparazzi. So I picked up 2, and each one is 2 for $5 or $2.99 each. So I picked up 4 of those for $10. I have a 3 off of 7 Paparazzi nail CRT. I used that, so I'll be paying only $7 and I'll be getting $8 back, making this a $1 money maker. And remember, this tracks towards beauty, so that's kind of like making it a $2 money maker. For the next one is the Irish Spring. I have 3 of $2 off Irish Spring or soft soap CRT, 2 from last week and 1 from this week. And I also have a 75 cents coupon from irishspring.com that I use on this. So I ended up paying only $1.25 and I got back a $2 extra care box, making the bar soap and the body wash free and a 25 cents money maker. And you can see my receipts. Let me see if I can zoom in so you can see how all the coupons apply to it. So you can see the first one is the 75 cents coupon I got from irispring.com, and you can see the 3 off of 7 paparazzi nail, 2 of 2 soft soap or Irish Spring, and I used $8 extra care box. I paid only 19 cents out of pocket, and I got $10 extra care box back. So this whole transaction is free and a little money maker. In this transaction, I combined the spend 30 deal with this because I have a spend CRT that I wanted to use with this to make it better. So what I did was pick up the 4 paparazzi nail because this is a different card. I picked it's 2 for $5, buy 2 get $4 back, limit of 2. So I have a 2 off of 3 paparazzi nail polish CRT that I use for this. So I paid only $8 for this and I got $8 back. And this tracks towards beauty, and I would say this is like a $1 money maker because it's $10 already. So that's when you spend 30 you get $3 back. So when you spend 10, that's $1, but you have to get to 30 to get your $3 back. So for the Irish Spring is 2 for $8. I have 3 $2 off CRT, 2 from last week and 1 from this week. And I also printed out 2 75 cents coupon from irispring.com. So I ended up paying only 50 cents for the Irish Spring, and I got $2 back, making both Irish Spring free and $1.50 money maker. For the Tresemme this week is buy 3 get $5 back, and it's also buy 1 get 1 half off. 4 of them came up to $18.87, and I have 2 paper coupons from the savings start from last week. Is 5 off of 2 any Tresemme shampoo or conditioner. So I used 2 of them because I'm buying 4. It took off $10. I ended up paying only $8.87, and I'll be getting, and I got back $5, making it only $3.87 or 97 cents each. And this also tracks towards beauty. For the part of the spend 30, I picked up only the Tide detergent for $11.94. I used the paper coupon from October P&G, $3 off. So, and remember the $4 will also apply to this. I'll also be showing you guys my receipts. Now looking at it, you can see the $3, that's for the Tide, and the 2.75 cents off is for the Irish Spring, and the $5, the $5 is for the Tresemme, and that's my 4 off of 40 and next purchase. And I have the 3 $2 off and the 2 off of 3 paparazzi nail. I used $22 extra care box on this. I paid only 56 cents out of pocket plus tax, and I got back the $8 for the paparazzi nail, $5 for the Tresemme, and $2 for Irish Spring. And remember, I'm still tracking towards my spend 30. To complete the spend 30, I picked up the Scott paper towel for $10.49, and I also picked up a Tide Pod for $11.94. I have a 3 off of 10 Scott CRT, and I also have a $3 paper coupon from October P&G I used on the Tide Pod. So I'll also be showing you my receipts to show you guys how all this applied. Now you can see the $3 for the Tide Pod, and also the 3 off of 10 Scott tissue paper towel, and also you can see I used $15 extra care box for this, paid only $1.39 out of pocket. And when you add this to the one I did in the other transaction to complete my spend 30, this ended up being only $3 per item, and I think that's a good stock up price for detergents and paper towel. And this concludes my CVS haul for this week. Thanks for watching, and once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and I'll see you all next week, and good luck with your haul.